Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to set up your Galaxy Watch 4 with an Android phone. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, you need to download on your phone Galaxy Wearable application. And now we can start. If we take a look on our watch, we see the name of the watch, and if we swipe up, the watch says us that we need to start in the application. Right here we click more and start. After this, we need to check if the number on the watches and on your phone is the same. We click confirm. And now we need to wait a little bit until the software will be downloaded. After the software is downloaded, we will need to agree to some terms of use. For example, the Samsung and user license agreement. And this sending of diagnostic data is optional. We click continue. And we would need to give some permissions to your watch to see your SMS, use Bluetooth, your connections, location, and etc. After this, we need to agree to some terms of service of Google. You can also choose which one is optional and which one is not. After you have chosen, click I agree. Now, wait until your watch will be ready. After this, you would need to sign in into your Google account. For example, I want to choose another account, so I click choose other account. And right here, I choose my main account. And we also would need to wait a few minutes until the sign in will be ended. And now you need to enter your password to verify that this account is yours. And after this, your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 are successfully finished and you can start using them. Also, you can see some more options on the Galaxy Wearable application and manage them right here. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.